Step into this inviting oasis, where rich wooden accents dance with soft neutral tones, crafting an ambience that screams comfort and relaxation. The warmth exuding from every corner wraps around you like a comforting hug, inviting you to unwind and let go of the day's stresses. With its seamless blend of textures and hues, this living room is a haven of tranquility, where every detail whispers serenity. Whether you're curling up with a good book or sharing laughter with loved ones, this cozy sanctuary promises to embrace you in its gentle embrace, making every moment feel like coming home. Nestled within a snug living room ambience, soft lighting accentuates inviting seating nooks, adorned with textured rugs and captivating warm-toned artwork. This space beckons you to sink into its embrace, offering a haven of relaxation and tranquility. The interplay of gentle illumination and tactile elements creates a sensory experience that soothes the soul. Whether you're unwinding solo or hosting intimate gatherings, this cozy retreat sets the stage for moments of blissful repose. So, kick off your shoes, snuggle into the plush seating, and let the comforting atmosphere envelop you in its warmth. It's relaxation redefined, right in the heart of home. Picture this: within a snug, warm living room design, a plush area rug takes center stage, anchoring the space with its soft embrace. But that's just the beginning. Oversized cushions beckon, practically begging you to sink into their luxurious comfort beside a glowing fireplace. It's the epitome of cozy chic, a harmonious blend of style and comfort that invites you to kick back, relax, and let the stresses of the day melt away. So, grab a book, a cup of something warm, and settle in for some serious lounging. This is relaxation at its finest, right in the heart of your home. Step into this cozy living room, where plush upholstery cozies up alongside rustic wooden furniture, crafting an inviting vibe perfect for gatherings. Warm hues envelop the space, while soft textures beckon you to sink in and unwind. It's like wrapping yourself in a warm blanket on a chilly evening, comfortable, welcoming, and utterly delightful. Whether you're lounging solo with a book or hosting friends for a game night, this space exudes warmth and charm, making every moment feel like a cherished memory in the making. Step into this snug living room retreat, where natural light gently filters through soft curtains, casting a warm glow upon comfortable seating arrangements and inviting, warm-hued decor. It's like basking in a sunbeam on a lazy Sunday afternoon, serene, tranquil, and utterly rejuvenating. Sink into the plush seating, surrounded by earthy tones and subtle textures, creating a haven of relaxation and comfort. Whether you're curled up with a good book or sharing laughs with loved ones, this space envelopes you in a cozy embrace, inviting you to linger a little longer and savor the simple joys of life. In the heart of this inviting living room ambience, discover a cozy reading nook beckoning relaxation with a plush armchair and gentle lighting. It's like stumbling upon a hidden gem in a bustling city, a sanctuary of tranquility amidst the chaos. Sink into the embrace of the armchair, surrounded by warmth and comfort, as soft light dances across the pages of your favorite book. Whether you seek solace after a long day or simply crave a moment of quiet contemplation, this snug corner offers respite from the outside world, inviting you to unwind and lose yourself in the pleasures of reading. Nestled within this snug living room sanctuary, a soft area rug underfoot complements inviting seating areas gathered around a central coffee table. It's like finding a cozy haven amidst a storm, a comforting retreat from the chaos of the outside world. Sink your toes into the plush rug as you settle into the inviting seating, surrounded by warmth and tranquility. With every step, the soft fibers massage your feet, grounding you in a space designed for relaxation and connection. Whether sharing stories with loved ones or enjoying a quiet moment alone, this welcoming arrangement fosters a sense of belonging, inviting you to linger and savor life's simple pleasures. In this charming warm living room design, exposed brick walls and rustic wooden beams converge, fashioning a cozy retreat from the elements. It's like stepping into a storybook cottage nestled in the heart of the countryside, rustic, inviting, and brimming with character. The raw textures of the brick and wood infuse the space with warmth and authenticity, while soft furnishings beckon you to unwind and relax. Whether you're curled up by the fireplace on a chilly evening or sharing laughter with friends over a cup of tea, this enchanting setting envelopes you in its embrace, creating cherished moments to treasure. Picture yourself in this comfortable warm living room haven, where soft throws and textured pillows grace plush sofas, beckoning you to indulge in cozy evenings by the fire. It's like wrapping yourself in a hug after a long day, comforting, soothing, and utterly delightful. Sink into the inviting cushions, surrounded by warmth and tranquility, as the crackling fire casts a gentle glow across the room. Whether you're lost in conversation with loved ones or simply enjoying a moment of solitude, this cozy corner invites you to slow down, relax, and savor life's simple pleasures. In the midst of this welcoming warm living room atmosphere, a cozy window seat basks in sunlight, offering the perfect spot for quiet contemplation. It's like finding a peaceful oasis in the midst of a bustling city, serene, tranquil, and utterly rejuvenating. Nestle into the plush cushions, enveloped by the gentle warmth of the sun's rays, as you gaze out at the world beyond. Whether you're lost in thought, journaling your dreams, or simply watching the world go by, this snug nook beckons you to pause, breathe, and embrace the beauty of the present moment. Step into this snug sanctuary where warmth meets comfort. The heart of this living room design? A crackling fireplace, flanked by plush sofas beckoning you to sink into their embrace. Soft throw blankets and pillows in earthy tones add layers of coziness, inviting you to unwind and relax. It's like a hug from home itself. This space seamlessly blends rustic charm with modern comfort, creating a haven perfect for chilly evenings or lazy Sundays. Get ready to snuggle up and bask in the inviting ambience of this charming retreat.